let's solve this inequality. So to solve this inequality, really the best way in my mind to solve it is to kind of graph it, to rewrite the equation, set it equal to y, so rewrite it like this. I'm sorry, set it equal to 0. And so what I want to do is graph this equation, y equals that, and I want to see where it's greater than or equal to 0. So if I did that, what I would have to do is I'd have to find out where it equals 0. So that means I have to factor it. So this has to be 5x and x, and one of them, let's see if this even is going to factor. Yep, if I put it, let's see, 2 times 5, let's see, will that work? I'm trying to think of how I can factor this by guessing and checking. Let's see, let's try 3. Let's try 3 here, plus 3 here, and minus 2 here. Will that give me what I want? Negative 2x plus 15. What's 15x minus 2x? It's 13x, so that works. So basically what I'm doing is oops, didn't want to write that. I'm graphing this and I'm finding my zeros to do that. So if I set each one of these equal to 0, that will give me x equals negative 3 and x equals 2/5. Right? So negative 3 is here. 2/5 is between 0 and 1. So it's there, 2/5, and it's a graph that's opening which way, up or down. This equation right here is opening up or down. Right, so it's going to be this. I don't really care where it goes exactly, up and down. All I care about is where it's greater than or equal to 0. And where is this function greater than or equal to 0? All of these values and all of those values. So this is, x can be less than or equal to negative 3, and x can be greater than or equal to 2/5. And so if you want to write that in interval notation, you would write, I'll write it up here, x is an element of negative infinity to negative 3 inclusive union 2/5, whoops, inclusive 2/5, 2/5 to infinity. That's your answer.